1000 LB Sisters. Tammy Slaton has been through one of the most challenging transformations on reality television, and fans are now closely watching to see how she's adjusting after her long-awaited skin removal surgery. For years, Tammy's journey with weight loss and health struggles has been highly publicized, making every milestone a moment of public fascination and concern. Her fans, who have followed her highs and lows on 1000 LB Sisters, have grown especially curious about her confidence and self-image following the surgical procedure designed to remove excess skin, a process that can be both physically and emotionally transformative. Tammy's weight loss journey, documented extensively on the show, was marked by determination, setbacks, and deeply personal struggles. She has battled with both her physical health and mental well-being, which were often complicated by her immense weight. When Tammy finally achieved significant weight reduction, the next logical step in her transformation was skin removal surgery, which could help her not only physically but also improve her comfort and self-esteem. Fans have been eagerly awaiting updates, especially regarding how Tammy is adapting to the new changes in her body. Recent posts and videos have shown Tammy starting to embrace her new body, revealing her surgery scars openly for the first time. This transparency has sparked a wave of support and admiration from fans. Sharing these intimate details online indicates a level of confidence that many had been hoping to see. It is clear that Tammy is making a conscious effort to accept and showcase her new appearance, even when it includes visible scars from major surgery. This move is significant in a world where reality TV personalities are often scrutinized for their appearances. Tammy's choice to show her scars could also serve as an inspiration to others who are struggling with body image issues after massive weight loss. While some viewers initially speculated whether Tammy would be self-conscious about her scars, her current behavior suggests the opposite. She seems willing to embrace her reality, scars and all, showing a level of maturity and self-acceptance that wasn't as visible earlier in her journey. This newfound confidence may be a direct result of the physical relief the surgery has provided. Skin removal can significantly improve mobility, reduce discomfort, and enhance overall quality of life, which naturally contributes to a more confident demeanor. Tammy's willingness to share these personal experiences publicly may also indicate that she is more comfortable in her own skin, a milestone that her fans and supporters find heartening. However, the road to this confidence was not without challenges. Skin removal surgery is not a quick fix and comes with a demanding recovery period. Tammy had to endure post-surgical pain, limitations on physical activity, and the emotional adjustment of seeing her body in a completely new way. Despite these hurdles, she has managed to navigate her recovery with resilience. Social media glimpses of her daily routines, physical therapy, and moments of self-care reveal that she is making the most of this transformative period. These insights provide fans with a deeper understanding of the commitment and patience required to achieve such a profound change. Experts in post-bariatric surgery transformations often emphasize that confidence comes not just from physical changes but from mental preparation and emotional support. Tammy's journey illustrates this principle. Her family's support, particularly from her sister Amy Slaton, and the encouragement from fans have likely played a crucial role in her emotional adjustment. The public nature of her journey means that Tammy has had to confront both praise and criticism. Her current composure suggests that she is learning to navigate these pressures with greater poise. Tammy's openness about her scars is also part of a broader cultural shift toward normalizing surgical outcomes. In the past, scars from medical procedures were often hidden or stigmatized, but today, many influencers and reality stars are choosing to highlight these marks as symbols of survival and transformation. Tammy's decision to show her scars fits into this narrative, helping to normalize and destigmatize the post-surgery body image experience for her audience. Fans have responded positively, flooding her social media posts with messages of support, admiration, and shared experiences, which may further boost her confidence. In addition to emotional and social factors, Tammy's physical recovery has been closely monitored by medical professionals. The surgery itself is intricate, requiring careful planning and skilled execution to minimize complications and optimize results. Recovery involves managing wounds, avoiding infections, and gradually reintroducing physical activity. Tammy's ability to manage these demands successfully suggests that she has approached her recovery with both discipline and determination, reinforcing the perception of her growing confidence. Some fans have commented on the subtle changes in Tammy's demeanor since the surgery. Observers note that she appears more at ease in public appearances, more willing to engage with fans, and more open to sharing personal reflections on her journey. These behaviors are indicative of someone who is not only physically transforming but also mentally processing and embracing a new version of herself. Confidence, in Tammy's case, seems to be emerging from the combination of physical relief, personal acceptance, and external validation from her fan base. While Tammy's journey is inspiring, it also highlights the complex realities faced by individuals undergoing massive weight loss and post-bariatric procedures. Body image, self-esteem, and confidence are deeply intertwined with both visible and invisible scars. Tammy's willingness to confront these challenges publicly may help reduce stigma and encourage viewers facing similar struggles to pursue their health goals while embracing the realities of post-surgical transformation. It is also worth noting that Tammy's increased confidence is likely to have ripple effects on her future endeavors. Whether it involves participation in new episodes of 1000 LB Sisters, social media engagement, or personal projects, a more confident Tammy can navigate opportunities with a stronger sense of self. Her journey underscores the idea that confidence is not merely a product of aesthetic change but a holistic outcome of resilience, acceptance, and perseverance. In conclusion, Tammy Slaton's post-surgery journey is a compelling narrative of transformation, courage, and emerging confidence. By openly showing her surgery scars and embracing the changes in her body, Tammy is setting an example for authenticity and resilience. Her fans have witnessed her growth from a vulnerable and uncertain stage to a more assured, self-accepting persona. The combination of physical relief, emotional support, and public encouragement seems to have contributed significantly to her newfound confidence. As she continues to navigate her recovery and embrace life beyond the surgery, Tammy Slaton's story remains a testament to the transformative power of self-acceptance, determination, and the willingness to face challenges head-on, inspiring countless viewers along the way. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.